Yo, so you have been searching around the internet to find the best profile to trade with. Today, I've got you something nice. So just sit down and watch this video to the end to grab the understanding of profile and how profile work and to know which profile to go for. Today, I've got you a broker-backed profile. Okay, when they said a broker-backed profile, meaning this profile is not running on their own, they are getting their liquidity from a broker and is backed by that broker. So there is no way they are going to deny you payout because everything follow the due process as brokers work or how you deposit yourself and trade. So stay with me to the end of this video that I engage you with the account size they have, their prices, and then the possible question you may be asking, and then the trade or account rules and regulations. Okay, so this is super funded. Okay, if you are able to watch this video to the end, you understand the idea of every profile. Okay, so let's get started. So first, I will take you through the challenge and then the account size that they have. So when we come to their website, I'll post the link to the website in my Telegram channel. So come there. That is where a lot of discussion used to go on. Okay, so when you're on the website, or just go to any browser of your choice and then search for super funded. So you just go to any browser and then type in super funded, okay, and hit enter. And the first link that will come and the logo, here is it. Here the exact logo that they use, super funded. Okay, so you just have to take note of it. Okay, so it will take you to the page right here. So when you're on this page, just click on challenge to see the account size and the prices that they have. Okay, so let this load that I show you the exact account sizes that they have. So this program have two category of accounts, one step and two steps. Okay, so for one step, it's round from 5K to 200K. Okay, so let's check on their prices and the rules of this account. Okay, so we quickly run to the 5K have profit targets, which is the one step account 5K account size. Profit target is 8%. Very, very okay for every trader to go with. Minimum trading days is just 3 days. Maximum daily loss 3%. Maximum total loss is 5%. So on this 5K, you are having a total loss limit as at 5%, which is $500. So we are just using how much? $55 to trade on $500 allocated price. That is how I calculate it because we are limited to loss only $500 on 5,000 accounts. So meaning you are buying that $500, not $5,000. Understand that this is the only channel that will grab you and then take you through every step-by-step way to understand pro firmware. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, do that. So let's go below above and then select the 10K account and see the price. So the 10K accounts also have the same percentage of profit target, minimum trading days, and then daily losses and the maximum loss. But they have a price of buying it at $99. Okay, very simple. So let's go to 100K and see the price. Good, 599. So before you continue watching this video, remember this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. Make sure you do your own investigation and research before you jump or engage with them to trade with them. Okay, I'm just doing the research and giving you the exact information out there, so you can go on the public domain on the internet to search this. It's available. They do everything transparent. Okay, so they don't hide anything. So when you go online and search everything, you also see it yourself. So now let's move to the two-step account. So their two-step account run from 3K up to 200K. So from the 3K two-step account, let's check on that. Profit target is 10%. And then phase two profit target is 5%. Phase one, 10%. Phase two, 5%. Minimum trading is 4%. Maximum daily loss, 5%. Maximum total loss is 10%. Imagine 10%, and you can get this account for just $33. Okay, so let's run to 6K two-step. It also have the same uh features, and the price is $66. You go to 100K, you can see the features the same, but this one is $55. Okay, so now let's move to the possible questions that you may be asking right here. So these are the possible questions that you may be asking of, well, how which trading style they don't like, what's are the base or calculation of the daily drawdown, the maximum total loss. Well, how do they calculate it? Okay, some use the balance base, some use the equity base. So this is where you will see all this. Transparency is their uh, priority. So how is drawdown calculated? Okay, so the maximum drawdown limit is calculated as static value for the beginning simulated capital. So it's static, or let's say it's a balance base. Okay, so it's a balance base. So they said it's calculated as a percentage of the previous ending day's balance. Okay, this means that if you your end high or low than the previous day, you will have the same drawdown, but the different amount. Okay, so when you come to the what is the drawdown level in super funded, so you can check on this too. They said the drawdown level in super funded are as follow. So the maximum total loss allowed is 5% for one step, and then 10% for two step. The maximum daily drawdown permitted is 3%, and it follows. Okay, so they say, where can I access your trading platform? Okay, so note they don't go with MetaTrader, they go with their own trading platform right here, which is sorry, I said their own trading platform. They go with trade locker that many pro firms use to trade with. Okay, I love enjoying this. You can get it on Google Play and also on the desktop version as well. Okay, so are there monthly fees? So some pro firm go with this monthly fee. They are no going to charge you any fee apart from your account purchase fee. That is all. Spread and commission, that one is normal for every broker to pro firm. Okay, so that is it. How frequently can I make a withdrawal? So this is the best question that you may be asking. So they do bi-weekly, or first withdrawal is 14 days, and the subsequent withdrawal to follow by 14 days. That is every 2 weeks. Okay, if you are on two-step challenge, you may purchase a 7 day withdrawal day add-on. So you can add on if you want to withdraw at 7 days of trading your funded account. Okay. Are there specific profit target for a live account? No, there's no specific profit target for live accounts. You can continue withdrawing till you blow the account. Or can I trade using EA or indicator? So yes, EA is allowed. EA are allowed to use because they are free and they don't inhibit any traders profit earning. Okay, you earn, they also earn. So this one is not like they are earning on their on your purchase fee, but they allow you to make profit because it's broker based. So when you go down a bit to can I withdraw my valuation profit? So people promise updates. So can you withdraw your evaluation profit? Okay, what I click. Sorry for that. Okay, good. Here's it. So the purpose of the evaluation is for us to make sure that you are a consistent trader without any capital risk, as our evaluation is set up to test your trading without risking capital. You cannot withdraw any evaluation profit. Okay, so they are clear right here. Do I pay tax on trade any? Okay, this is a good question. It is your sole responsibility to obtain professional advice in respect of any payout may receive, including with respect to tax treatment. So that one, it depends on your region and whatever you are trading from. Is a copying trading allowed? So here is the bigger question. Yes. So you can see anyhow you can make the profit. They are not putting any limitation. That is the best thing. Some people will tell you no copy trading because they know you can copy from best traders and make money. So they don't want you to make money. They want you to lose. This program doesn't do that. Okay, that is what it's based on what they have on their website that made me conclude like this. You can also come and do your own research before you conclude. Okay, but this is my opinion. It's not an advice, it's my opinion. Okay, take note. So you can come and read everything here, but the most important one for me to check on before I go is the KYC. Is it mandatory? KYC verification is required for any withdrawal. So remember, they have to identify you before you withdraw. That one is very simple, but this one, when you are withdrawing account exceeding $1,000 to maintain security, protect users and ensure regulatory. But if you are withdrawing below 1,000 cedis, they are not going to check on those things. First withdrawal request, if you request $400, KYC verification is required as well. No KYC verification is required. So any amount exceeding 1,000 request that. Okay, guys, this is what I have for you guys today. If you have many questions or any question to ask, again, go down to the video description, join my Telegram channel, and send me a direct message. I will address everything with you guys there. Goodbye and see you tomorrow in my another update. Remember, I'm going to buy an account with this program and then follow every step by step and update you guys on my journey. So let's get started with this journey together. Goodbye and see you tomorrow on another update.